Welcome to Checkouttherileys. Today we are going to unbox this wearable air purifier. I didn't know you can wear an air purifier, but this is it. So this is a gift from my mom and it's wearable. So we're gonna find out. I think I saw my mom using this and wear it as a necklace. Okay, this air purifier cost 2,500 pesos. Can you believe that? 2,500. So I'm gonna show you how this works, okay? If it's really, good or not. Okay, so we're gonna open this one, okay? Alright, here you go. I will open it. And we will see if I look cool wearing this. Adds up the beauty or something. So air purifier, since it's the season of giving. No, I mean so this is it. Oops, oopsie daisy. So you can see, look. Wait, here you go. Here. Can you see that? It says AVICHE. AVICHE? There's like C here, right? Anyway, okay, we're gonna find out how this works. Okay. So my father said that I will have an example. I don't know how, but we'll try this one. Oh, look, it lights up. Means it's working, I think, right? Just like that. And then I think if there's a charger plug, see that one, you can charge too. And it purifies the air because it's air purifier, right? Wow. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to show you after this how this works, how to purify or something. What I'm gonna do is, it has to have a smoke or something, so I'll make it up. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I found a manual. Okay, and this one too. Alright, so here's the manual. I'm right. I don't know if I said it right though. AVICHE? AVICHE? AVI. Leave the comment if I'm right or am I wrong. Okay, so here you go. Look. So this one is the negative ion. So that's the negative ion and release tip. Negative ion release tip here. See that pointing thing? Yeah, that one. That one. Yeah, that one. See that one? That's the negative ion pointing tip. And the indicator light, which I've showed you already. So here you go, the product. Wearable air purifier is an innovative product designed and produced by AVICHE Shadow Medical Technology Co Ltd Limited. Alright, okay, adhering the concept. Wearable air purifier has beautiful appearance and has the functions of purifying air, eliminating dust, antioxidation, anti-aging. Wow, I'm starting to like this product. Anti-aging, eliminating germs. Whoa. Okay, preventing infection. Whoa, preventing infection. regulating nerves. Refreshing the mind and relieving fatigue. Oh, what? Amazing, right? Refreshing the mind and relieving fatigue. Wow. All right. Okay, here you go. Portable and wearable design, easy to use and wear for all ages people. Okay, so it means even a baby can wear this. The lanyard of wearable air purifier is processed with special technology. It has better effect if contact skin. Okay, there you go. And there's a warning. Look, there's a warning. I'm not lying. Look, I'll read it for you, okay? Okay, warning. Warning. Avoid direct sunlight. Far away from the water and fire. Turn off the power when cleaning surface. Stain. Prohibit disassembly by non-professional. Avoid hard object. Do not direct touch negative ions. Release heat by hands. Did I just touch it? No, I didn't. Okay, so how does function introduction? So how this really works? Okay, how does wearable air purifier works? Wearable purifier need no consumables, no filter to replace, one button to operate, easy to use. It can produce negative ions to work and can be rechargeable and reusable. What? Wow, this is special. So what is the function of the negative ions? Okay, so you guys know already that. How long does it take to fully charge? 6 to 7 hours. How long can the wearable air purifier work fully? 35 to 40 hours. Wow. Okay, I'm excited to wear this one. Aren't you? Right? Anti-aging, can you believe that? Anti-aging. That's the part I like. Alright, so I'm gonna see. I am going to show you if this really works. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you this one. This bottle have a smoke inside. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. If I see, did you see that? It goes out here. See, I don't know. Okay, so here you go. We're gonna try it out. See, that's still smoke. And now I'm going to put this one inside and see if it really works. If they clear the smoke. I think that's how you do it, right? Okay. Okay, here you go. You ready? So it's turned on. See, it's turned on. And now I'm going to put it inside. See? There's still smoke inside, right? So see. See that? Wow, it's like there's an air inside now. Even though I'm closing it, see? See? Don't know if you can really see it. See? It's moving, right? I'm not doing anything, but look, there's like air blowing inside the thing, right? And it's starting to get clearer. Wow, amazing. There you go. You see that? I'll make it closer so you can see it. Wow, it's like it's eating the smoke inside. See? Wow. So here, I don't know if you noticed, so the smoke is, this one is starting to get clearer. I don't know what about that red thing. Maybe it's like telling, hey, alert, alert. Not a smoke. See, I'm still closing it. And in the middle, there's no smoke. See? It cleared up. So what I'm gonna do is put it down and see if it starts to disappear again. See? It's like half. Wow. Wow, guys. This is really cool. It's like there's a breathing thing inside of this necklace. That, seen it? Seen it? There's no way the smoke comes out because I'm trying to close it. But as you can see, it's clearer now. Look. It's clear. Guess it's working, right? Oh, look. Wow. Amazing. So I think what it does is, so see my guys. There's no smoke. Or there's like a little but no more, see? Took all the smoke. Wow. Cha-chan. Okay guys. Let me know what you think. Okay. Smell smoke. It didn't burn. Didn't get burned. But I think this works. What do you think? Okay, thank you guys for watching. So I think this will help you. I don't know how it will do the anti-aging, maybe because of the negative ions, but thank you guys for watching. Leave me a comment below what do you think about this air purifier and give me a thumbs up, okay? All right. See ya.